Under the guidelines of Railway Ministry and Railway Board, isolation coaches are being prepared in Northwestern Railways. In this challenging time, when the whole country is struggling with coronavirus, Railway is working day and night, putting nation first after ensuring adequate safety measures. For this purpose, we have taken sleeper and general coaches. The first cabin in each coach will be used for doctors and paramedical staff. That is why it has been screened off with plastic curtains. In sleeper coaches, the middle berth has been removed to facilitate the patients. 3 types of dustbins have been provided in each cabin: for infectious waste, for gloves and syringes, and for infected dressings. Mosquito net have been provided in all the windows. Coat hooks have been provided to hold the IV drips. And bottle holders have been provided for holding necessary medical equipments. Also, brackets have been provided for holding oxygen cylinders. Similar facilities are provided in rest of the 8 cabins of this coach. One Indian style lavatory in each coach has been converted to bathroom using necessary modifications and accessories. For this purpose, wooden ply is being placed on the entire floor. An additional pipeline has been laid for bucket and mug. Quarter turn taps have been provided. Also, soap dispenser, soap dish and mirror has been provided, and wash basins have been removed. Also, working of lights, fans and charging points has also been ensured.